Well, this is my first bike packing trip. I've not gone too far. I'm only about 6-7 miles from home. It's just a test. I've got a lot of new kit that I wanted to test and new setup on the bike. I've never ridden a bike with the panniers on before, or the extra weight. It does make a big difference to the handling of it, but I got on okay. I'm just going to have a night out here and just see how I go. But, tent's all set up, and I've got my new bits in here. Got a new pillow up there, and the Flextail R5 sleeping mat. I've got some down trousers because it's meant to get quite chilly tonight. These were the packs that I'd got, the panniers, 2 of them, just onto that. To say on the videos I've watched, you know, don't buy anything special, just use the bike you've got. So I'm using the bike I've got. I just bought a pannier rack for it, a couple of pannier bags, and well, like I say, got on really well with it. It's been nice. It's been a lovely ride over. It's been an absolute gorgeous evening. Probably have a brew now. And that's about it. Right, I'll see you later. Stove's just starting to get going. Time for a coffee before bed. Don't know how well this is picking it up in this light. Not very well, I don't think. Just waiting for my stove. Got it on the alcohol burner. Definitely ready for a coffee. As you can see, this is the Nature Hike Cloud Up 2. Nice roomy tent. Ideal for one person and the kit. I won't want to be in it with another person, even though it's meant to be a 2-man. It's nice though. Not very well set up in there at the minute, but I'll get it set up better when I get in there. Getting dark though now. Nice place to be. Just up at the back of an old airfield near me. I'll get me brew. See you later. Well, enjoyed my coffee. That was lovely. I was ready for that. I'm ready for my bed now. Lighting's not great in here, but it is what it is. Right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Night.
Morning. Nice morning as well. Nice blue skies, bit of sunshine. Didn't have too bad a night. Glad I had my down trousers on. It did get quite cool this morning. Coffee time. Oh, I'm ready for that. Yeah, I don't really know what today's plan is. I don't know whether I'm going to head off somewhere else or what to do at the minute. I'll have my coffee. Probably have a bit of breakfast in a bit as well. Lovely here this morning. I'm glad I came out. Like I say, my first backpacking trip ever. So it's just more of a test really. Just to test these bits out that I said earlier. And everything's worked well, been really well. the mattress, it's my first time on this airbed. Really, really comfortable, really comfortable. And where did we get? The wife got me that for Christmas, and that was thanks to Paul Messner, because we watched some of his videos, and one of them he was on about it, and I saw it and I thought that would be ideal for me. With me being a side sleeper, it should be perfect. And yeah, it was. Pillow worked well. Birds about. New head torch worked well. The new light inside the tent all worked well. All very nice. Yeah, very pleased. The head torch was a nice little Petzl. Very pleased with that. Right, just in here. Yeah, this one. It's the Petzl Tika, something like that. One of them. It's got some good strong settings on it, and it more than does what I need. I'm very pleased with that. Anyway, I'll get on with my coffee, and then I'll see about some breakfast. So probably see you later.
Been a really nice camp here. As always, leave no trace. All packed up. Tent's tied on with string, but it does the job. Time to head off. It's been really nice. I'll see you in a bit. Well, that was my first bike packing trip done. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Really good. Definitely going to do it again. It was a nice night out, not too bad going on the bike, and I got to test the new gear, so that's all good. Right, I'm just going to head back home now. I'll bring you back to show you some of the journey on the way, but apart from that, thanks for watching, and I hope you watch again. Bye bye. Time for a quick coffee and a bag of porridge on the way out. Nice little place to stop as well, you might remember it. So a video coming around this corner earlier. Just here, in this bush shelter. Looking forward to this, I'm hungry. Right, see you later.